close to 800,000 civilians in Borno state in northeast Nigeria have been cut off from relief supplies for over a year now. Children are the worst affected by the lack of relief aid, with large numbers dying and many others being severely malnourished. The charity organization Doctors Without Borders, or MSF, estimates that 15% of children there are suffering from life-threatening malnutrition. The current mortality rates are estimated at 4 people per 10,000 every day, which is 4 times the emergency threshold. The UN says 3 million people in the northeast are in urgent need of food aid, but that some roads within Nigeria are unsafe for convoys due to mines from the ongoing battle against Boko Haram militants. Well, let's get you some more on that now on CCTV. Sophia Adengo is joining me from Abuja. Sophia, this is not the first time an alarm is being sounded about malnourished children dying in northeastern Nigeria. How has the government been responding to this dire situation?
Well, although state and federal governments have been under considerable criticism in their response to the situation in the northeast, the Nigerian Emergency Management Authority asserts that they have continuously been able to provide as much, humanitarian assistance as they have been in the last 3 or 4 years, and also calling on international aid agencies to join in the response, and also following through in really, putting out the numbers that are true of what we have been seeing in recent months. The Nigerian authorities that we have spoken to, both security and at the National Management Authority agency, assert that the environment is really being made, available to these populations to return from these internally displaced camps in order for them to be better reached by, aid and in providing food and providing water, and also some kind of sanitation to control any kind of disease numbers. Beatrice.
Well, Sophia, the UN estimates that about 3 million people in the country's northeast are in urgent need of food aid. What role are aid agencies, though, playing, and what more needs to be done about this situation? Sophia Adengo there for us, but apologies for that loss in the technical situation there. We may return to Sophia if we are able to in a moment.